Wow, I had some really good lunch today.
What'd you eat?
That Mongolian chicken from the cafeteria.
Oh, that's cool. Oh,
Yeah.
what's this over here?
I think Excel's hosting that.
What's Excel?
Engaging extraordinary citizens to empower and lead through social media.
The importance of civic responsibility through democracy schools with planned activities for our pre-K through senior students to celebrate the great things they do.
Our club members take videos and photographs of all the activities and games we're made aware of and know about.
If your CHS club, group, or team is doing something, please use the QR code that is posted on our locker signs and classroom doors.
Our goal is to promote the happenings of CHS. We want to highlight the amazing activities that our students, staff, team, and clubs are doing. We take designs and post videos and photographs on our Instagram page and the Carlinville District Facebook page.
Mornings at 7:30 and Thursday in goals.